another rain has fallen, and I am the plowman, and I love the rain. And another rain has fallen, and I am the plowman, and I love the rain. For the rain will soften all my ground and make my plow cut perfectly. The earth is ready for the seed, and a little rain is all I need. And another rain has fallen, and I am the sower, and I love the rain. And another rain has fallen, and I am the sower, and I need the rain. For the rain will make the seed to burst, begin its life and take firm root, to grow the crop, to swell the grain. It must have a little rain. And another rain has fallen, and I am the reaper, and I watch the sky for another rain might fall, and I am the reaper. I must watch for rain, for now I really need the sun to reap my good crop that has grown. If the rain falls now, my crop is lost, and I'll be left to count the cost of another rain falling. And I am the lover, my tears like rain. And another tear has fallen, and I am the lover, and I have cried again. And I have plowed and I have sown, I have guarded, I have loved, and like the farmer I must blame my gamble, cost and loss on another